Hello, my name is Roberta Dow from Michigan State University Extension. I work in water quality, and I'm here to talk with Dr. Tom Franti from the University of Nebraska. Well, we wanted to talk about the potential impacts of bioenergy and water resources. And in thinking about this, where do water, agriculture, and fuel intersect?
Okay, Roberta, that's a good question. We used to talk about agriculture needing to provide food, feed, and fiber. But today, with the footprint that fuel is making, we have to talk about food, feed, fiber, and fuel. The water resources that we have will need to be used to produce all those products, including fuel, and with the same water supply. What this means is we'll have to produce the same amount of units or more units with each unit of water that we have.
What do you mean by units?
Well, by units I mean producing a greater yield per acre of a given crop. For example, corn. Let's look at corn ethanol. In this country we are producing about 1 billion gallons of corn ethanol per month in 2010. And we expect this to go up in the future. We're already using 30 to 33% of our corn crop to do it today. So we're going to have to produce more corn. This could be done in a couple of ways. One is to expand corn production on other acres, for example, conservation reserve acres, turn them into corn production,
Right.
or to increase the number of units we produce or the yield on each acre of corn crop that we are currently producing.
What would be the potential impact of doing something like this, of increasing the corn production for corn ethanol?
Well, there's a couple impacts. One is if we increase the number of acres that grow corn, we're likely going to have to expand on marginal lands or more sensitive lands like erodible conservation reserve lands.
Okay.
And this could create more soil erosion, more sedimentation, and more nutrients running off those lands. A second concern is if we intensify our production on the current acres, we will add more nutrients, most likely, and possibly use more water to produce more corn. Corn takes a lot of water, and by increasing those inputs, there's the chance that we'll deplete our water resources or lose some of those nutrients to the aquifer or to the surface water.
Well, thank you. It's been very enlightening, and we'll be looking forward to hearing more from you.